Conquer conjunction confusion. Unraveling conjunctive adverbs. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: conjunctive adverbs. We often misuse them or avoid them entirely due to confusion. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand how to use them correctly and confidently. So, let's get started. To put it simply, conjunctive adverbs are words that connect two independent clauses, showing the relationship between them. Some common conjunctive adverbs include however, therefore, meanwhile, consequently, and additionally. These words often express a contrast, reason, time, or addition. Conjunctive adverbs are versatile and can be placed at the beginning, middle, or end of a clause. However, they should be used with correct punctuation. For instance, when a conjunctive adverb begins or ends a sentence, use a comma right after or before it. When it appears in the middle of a sentence, it should be surrounded by commas. Correct: I was tired. However, I finished my work. Incorrect: I was tired. However, I finished my work. One common error is confusing conjunctive adverbs with coordinating conjunctions like and, but, or so. These conjunctions also connect clauses, but they require different punctuation. Another mistake is using a comma instead of a semicolon before the conjunctive adverb when it is connecting two independent clauses. Always remember to use a semicolon before and a comma after the conjunctive adverb in such cases. Correct: it was raining. Therefore, we decided to stay at home. Incorrect: it was raining. Therefore, we decided to stay at home. To get a better grasp, practice using conjunctive adverbs in your daily conversations or written communication. Start with the common ones like however, therefore, and additionally, then gradually add less common ones to your vocabulary. That's all about conjunctive adverbs, folks. With these tips in mind, I hope you feel more confident in using these incredibly useful parts of our language. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering anything, including conjunctive adverbs. So keep writing, keep speaking, and keep learning. See you in our next lesson.